Hi, welcome to Wake Up Wednesday with Tina Williams. Hi, guys. Good morning. If you could tell me where you are viewing from, that would be excellent because sometimes I go back through. I do go back through there to see where you guys are watching from, and then I will kind of find some resources in your area as well. Yesterday, I saw someone from Ohio in. So I did want to give the Ohio resident the Economic Development Directory. So this is EDA.gov, and you can go to any state. But I pulled up Ohio, and they have a lot of resources available in Ohio. Good morning, Charlita. They have a lot of resources available, including revolving loan fund places where you can get. Hi, Deborah. You can get some loans and things in your area. And remember, when you're going to organizations, economic development organizations, they sometimes don't have. They have more lenient credit requirement. So, just basically you want to do that. So I did go ahead and look at the Ohio Community Development Financial Institution called Citywide Affiliate. Hi, Mike. Um, and they have microloans. They got a whole bunch of different things. And remember, microloans, you don't have to have, good morning. You don't have to have any type of, you might not, you could be a startup and still get funding from some of these organizations. A lot of CDFIs have no credit requirement. Some of them, if they do, they have a 575 minimum credit score requirement. And you would just need a business plan, and generally you can get some funding for them even if you're starting your business. So that is one of the things that I wanted to show you. But what I got on here today really to talk about is cash is an account, guys. So I had a friend ask me yesterday. We had a lot of people that have cash based businesses, and a lot of people don't report cash, and they're like, well, how do I report cash so that I could give it to my accountant and actually put it on my Schedule C. Just in case hi Lisa, you didn't realize you don't get taxed on every dollar that comes into your business. So if you collect cash, you might have had to buy, if you're a hairstylist, you might have had to buy hair, equipment, you had to buy curlers, you had to buy, hi Raheem, you have to buy a bunch of stuff. If you're cash based, you do nails, you got to buy the acrylic, you got to buy stuff. So you're not just getting cash, you're also spending it on equipment. So how do you track that? So I'm in my chart of accounts in QuickBooks. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new bank account. Okay. I'm adding a new bank account. And my bank account is called Cash on Hand. Okay. Cash on Hand. So cash is an account. If you put it in your mattress, it's an account. So if you get it from somebody and you put it in your pocket is an account. So my friend Yolanda was saying, well, how do you track your business if you're a cash-based business? Okay, well, you put it in your cash account. So and you would record it in QuickBooks as a transaction of cash. So then when someone gives you cash, you say new, and then you can put add a new thing there, and you can say new, right? And then bank deposit, okay? So you're going to put new bank deposit, okay? Then it's going to say how much was your deposit was. So I'm going to pull it up as soon as it pops up there. All right. And then I'm going to say, okay, the new bank deposit is from, services. So if I provided services, sales, okay, Oh, no, that's a person. Account is services. Okay. So you can put the person's name, but services is an income. And then, the account that you received it from. Okay. That's the services. And you got it from cash. And then you're going to put the amount. But at the top, you're going to make sure you change the bank account from checking to cash on hand. Okay. And so now you're going to put in whatever amount that you got. Okay. And put like $300 or something like that. Okay. Okay. And then you're just going to save and new. And now you have a $300 deposit in your cash account. And when you want to spend the money out of your cash account, you can go to your cash account. All right. Let's say, okay, well, that's in our cash account there. Now we're going to go to new, and we want to spend money out of our cash account. We'll say new expense, right? And when we do the expense, it's going to pop up there. Okay. And then we're going to, say we paid rent or whatever. Let's say I want to pay rent. That's my expense. I'm going to change it from the checking account to the cash on hand account that has $300 in it. And then I'm going to pay $300 in rent. Well, let's say $250. So then my cash account will actually have $250 left in it. And then save and new. And then voila, you have, I know who this is, even though I don't know his name. That's Terrence Burney. Thank you. Okay. That's it. That's how you record cash in a cash business. So can you get a business loan with only a cash-based business? Yes. The reason why cash-based businesses get less money in lending is because you don't report all of your cash. But if you reported all of your cash and then took off all of your expenses that you spent out of the cash, you could get larger dollar amounts. All right. Thank you for joining me today.